The iPhone 18 Pro Max is already making headlines, and the latest leaks reveal one upgrade that many people have been waiting for. Apple may finally deliver a huge jump in battery life without making the phone much bigger. But that's not the only surprise. New leaks point to a faster chip, better cameras, a cleaner design, and smarter connectivity. Here's everything you need to know. According to recent leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could pack a massive 5,567 mAh battery. That is a big jump over the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and could make this one of the longest-lasting iPhones ever. However, there could be a trade-off. Reports suggest the phone could weigh around 240 grams and measure about 9 mm thick. So, you'll likely get much better battery life, but you'll have to accept a heavier and thicker device in return. Apple is also expected to introduce the new A20 Pro chip built on an advanced 2nm processor. The new chip is rumored to be faster while using less power. Another interesting leak is Apple's next-generation modem outside the United States. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could use Apple's own C2 modem, which is expected to improve battery efficiency even more. US models may continue using Qualcomm's modem because of mmWave wave support, but both versions should still deliver excellent performance. The display is also getting attention. Leaks suggest Apple will finally shrink the dynamic island, giving users more screen space for videos, games, and apps. It won't disappear completely, but it should be noticeably smaller than before, making the display look cleaner. Camera upgrades are also on the way. The front camera is rumored to jump to 24 megapixels, bringing sharper selfies and better video calls. On the back, Apple may add a variable aperture to the main camera. Apple is also expected to simplify the camera capture button. Reports say it will become easier to use and less expensive to repair if damaged. It's a small change, but one that many users will appreciate. The design isn't changing dramatically, but there are a few updates. New leaks mention a fresh dark cherry color, along with light blue, black, and silver options. Apple is also expected to use a more refined frosted glass finish on the back, giving the phone a cleaner and more premium appearance. Another exciting rumor is expanded satellite connectivity. Instead of being limited to emergency messages, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could eventually support internet access through satellites in remote areas. Right now, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to launch in September 2026 alongside the rest of the iPhone 18 lineup. The starting price is rumored to remain around $1,199 for the base model, although Apple could make small adjustments depending on storage options and regional pricing. That's everything we know so far about the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Which upgrade are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.